So I'm logging this code right now, and where did I get this code from? Generation zero shot. So this is from the Salesforce LAVIS library, and the lead developers at HUGGINGFACE Diffusers, that is Saik Paul and I think a couple of others. They've mentioned this particular Git, and they've highlighted that in their couple of posts on LinkedIn and elsewhere also. Also, I saw uh, how they've gone ahead and yeah, so how they've actually gone ahead and you know implemented this in the diffusers. I obviously have not gone through the entire code, and it is Ayush Mangal who's the lead developer on this, and he's working along with Sayak. Sayak is the lead developer on the diffusers, and Ayush is the lead developer on Levis. So if I've got those two things right, yeah. So this is the first generation that I'm getting, uh, and I've gone ahead and coded this for three generations to come up. So that's the first one that I'm getting. So num outputs are supposed to be three. So what I'll do is I'll just close this, and yeah, of course, the input was a dog, and the entire thing one second, what does it say? On a mountain. It just says on a mountain. So I've not changed anything on their initial code. So their initial code also, the example also says dog dog, and then over here it says swimming in deep water or something, and I've just made that on a mountain. I even misspelled it, but yeah, whatever. And then this is what I've changed. I've changed the guidance scale. They had 7 over here, I think 7.5 or 7, and they had 50 inference steps. I've gone to 77, and that's what's got documented here. So every generation is taking somewhere about 6 minutes. Slightly above 6 minutes, 6 minutes 20 seconds, 6 minutes 6 seconds, and this one is I think 6 minutes 49 seconds or whatever. Couple of other things that I've got out here. VIT model is clip L, Q former, num query token is 16. So all of this I need to get into. I've not really got into any of this right now to understand what this is. Neither have I gone through their code. I'm just printing a few things just to have a look as to what it is. It says runway ML stable diffusion. Okay. Uh, so if I remember correctly, runway ML and one more, I think stability AI or some other this thing. They get their models basically from there, the pre-trained models. That is what I remember. But I'm not sure of this, so I'll again. And that is diffusers code, right? So you got to go in there and have a look. And this gets printed always. It gets printed on their. So again, need to check what this is. I'm not really sure. This I went and put some prints in their code over here in the base model, and a few other things over here. So some of these prints are coming out. I'm trying to understand how this works and how So they're just not even debug prints, just trying to understand basically. That's all. Okay. So that's the first one. Let's see if it pops up the second one. Does it pop up? I don't know. Maybe that was the last one. I should have saved these. I have not saved them. It takes about approximately around maybe 20 minutes to run it again. I'll do that. I'll try and save them. I'm supposed to save them in place of just doing a show. Should be saving them so that we can have a look later on. So I ran it on Colab earlier. Pretty decent results. So yeah, and thanks a lot to them. They put a lot of discussion comments and everything, so it is easy to understand what they're doing. Not easy in the sense, obviously, it's it's not easy. If it were to be easy, everybody would be doing it. But at least it is helpful to understand as to what they are doing, and they are extremely disciplined and wonderful developers. So ultimately, these four files went in. So yeah, let me again further try and understand what is happening here. That's about it for now.